Washington State is bracing for another atmospheric river, expected to bring strong winds capable of toppling trees and knocking out power.
So we had a number of rescues out here.
Snohomish County rescue teams led elected leaders through ravaged parts of Monroe Saturday morning after dozens of calls for help.
Water is starting to recede here next to the Snohomish River. Firefighters say floodwater was up to your knees.
Snohomish rescue teams saved 42 people from raging torrents, mostly drivers who tried to cross flooded roads and had to be rescued from the tops of their cars. Conditions were so dangerous in one case, firefighters had to instruct a homeowner how to shelter in place when floodwaters were too dangerous for a rescue team.
This event came very close to being much more catastrophic. Very close.
Investments like Mount Vernon's flood wall protected 225 buildings downtown, only feet away from the swollen Skagit River.
We still have Skagitonians who can't go back to their homes this morning. It's tempered by the fact that we are not in the clear yet. There's more rain on the way.
An exhausting week for Washington and first responders. Another atmospheric river is expected to bring less flood risk, but stronger winds, with gusts at least 45 miles an hour.
It does not take 50-mile-an-hour winds to knock over trees, cause power outages, fall onto vehicles, houses, etc. That is a significant concern.
With reservoirs already full, the National Weather Service says it won't take much rain to renew flooding. A state still recovering and not out of the woods just yet. Alex McClune, King 5 News.